Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a slider with Elementor. First, make sure Elementor is installed and active on your WordPress site. Then, open the page or post where you want to add your slider using the Elementor editor. This easy method will guide you through creating a dynamic and engaging slider quickly, enhancing your website's visual appeal with minimal effort. Let's dive in. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, locate the Slides widget in the left-hand panel. Simply drag and drop this widget directly onto your page where you want the slider to appear. You'll immediately see a basic slider with some placeholder content. This is your starting point for customization, making it super easy to visualize your progress. Next, let's personalize your slider. Click on each individual slide to customize its content. You can change the background image, update the title, and write a compelling description. Don't forget to modify the button text and link to direct visitors where you want them to go. You can easily add more slides or duplicate existing ones to build out your full presentation. Finally, let's refine the look and behavior of your slider. In the Style and Advanced tabs, you can adjust the slider height, choose navigation arrows, and customize pagination. Set up autoplay, control the slide duration, and select your preferred transition effects. Once you're happy with everything, preview your page and then publish it to make your new slider live for everyone to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.